Yes, there are 3 cities in this vlog, and the reason I did that is because we had our whole 17-hour travel day thing, and then at the end of that day, we arrived in Copenhagen, and then we stayed the night there, and then the next day, we kind of toured around that city, and then left at night to go to Oslo. But on the way to Oslo, we had to stop in Göteberg, Sweden, and stay for a few hours there. Boy, that was fun, you'll see. And none of those cities were enough for their own vlogs, so I just decided to put them all together, which is why this video was kind of long. But honestly, what else were you gonna do with this 20 minutes of your day? Be honest. Okay, teleport to me in Poland with shorter hair. It is 5:30 in the morning, and our official 17-hour day of traveling begins now. Boat. There's a grocery store on a boat. What? These packaged meals and the weird check-in policy of the urban hostel in Copenhagen, our 17-hour trip comes to an end. It was not as bad as I thought it would be. A bed. Good morning! Spending the day in Copenhagen today. We have a train tonight at 8 p.m. but till then, we're going to explore this beautiful city. It's pretty small, so it's not going to take very long, but it's really nice. That was a super brief overview of Copenhagen. Bummed that we don't get more time here, but it is what it is. We are back on the move again for another, what is it? It's 8:30 right now. We get to Oslo at 10:50, so another 14 hours of travel. Amongst those 14 hours involves 4 hours from 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. sitting in a Swedish train station. It's gonna be one hell of a night. Made it to Göteberg, Sweden. Now time for a 6 hour and 50-minute wait. I was wrong when I said 4. That was our old itinerary and we had to switch up some things. So we're here for 6 hours and 50 minutes. Say hello to our beds for the next 6 hours. Quite luxurious, if I do say so myself. Never mind. Apparently they closed the train station at 1 in the morning. So now we have 5 hours to figure out what to do. After about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes of searching, we found a McDonald's that's open 24 hours. It's close to the train station. So that's where we're going now. So cold. Oh my gosh. It's like getting colder every minute. It's not fun. Not fun. Okay, update. When Google Maps says 24-hour McDonald's, they do not mean 24-hour McDonald's. God. I don't know. We're trying to go into the lobby of a hotel right now, maybe just sit for an hour or two, because the train station opens up in 2 hours. And it's under renovation and not open.
Oh, yeah.
Moving on. Okay, never mind. We went into the lobby of the hotel and we asked if we could just sit in the lobby for a couple hours. And the guy at the front desk was super nice, super gracious, and he just said, yeah, put your stuff in the corner so people don't see that we're hanging out, and we can just sit here for a couple hours. Thank God. 2 hours later, we are back in the cold on our way to the station. Oh, it's been a long night.
That was really terrible. Oh, maybe I'll let you finish.
Bedtime, I guess. After a few hours downstairs, we are moving upstairs to the lounge because it opens at this time. If we can find it. Thank God for first class lounges. Oh. Last train. No, that wasn't a transition to tomorrow. I'm just really tired. That was just an unbelievably long 2 days of travel. We left at 5 a.m. on October 17th and we arrived at 11:38 a.m. on October 19th. I mean, in there we did stop at Copenhagen, sleep a night, and then get to tour the city for a little bit, but it wasn't much of a break. Basically it was a 17-hour spurt of traveling, and then a day after a 14-hour spurt of traveling, and last night sucked. After a 7-hour nap and a nice dinner and some tea, we are starting to recover. We wanted to go into the city today, but we slept instead. But it's no big deal. We have all day tomorrow, so we're just gonna jam pack also, I guess. It is 11:45 right now. Just doing some editing and then gonna sleep again. But look, I figured something out. This is a good way to illuminate in the dark. It's actually a YouTube video. You should check it out. There's ads by Bensound 235. It's some good quality stuff. You should check it out. I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I know I said I was gonna do the whole 3 cities in this one vlog, but some people have been telling me that my vlogs are a bit too long. And I hate to say this because I like to have my own opinions, but I agree. My original goal was to make them like 8 to 10 minutes, but it's so hard to sum a whole city up in just one video, so they always went really long because I was like, oh, I should include this and this and this, but I include stuff that I don't need to include. It doesn't matter. Anyways, the point is, I'm gonna make also its own vlog, because honestly, I wouldn't even want to sit down and watch like an 18 to 20 minute video. It's too long. I'm sorry. I'm working on it. Anyways, our next spot is Oslo, I guess. I mean, we're already there. So, I don't know.
Why does she like have really bad posture? I know.
What?
Her posture is like really bad. Oh! Her posture is like really bad. So, I'm just saying, fix that.